Okay, so this is the next question. We've been given 2 points A and B such that AB is a diameter, right? Now we are expected to find the equation of the circle. So for that we need to find the center. So center of the circle is required. To get that center, I would have to find the midpoint of AB. So my A is -1 comma -2. My B is 7 comma 4. I take this point as x1 y1, x2 y2. So the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this goes with this, so -1 positive 7 comma 2, -2 positive 4 comma divided by 2. This is 6 over 2 and this is 2 over 2. This would give me 3 comma 1. So I've got the center. Now we need to get the total distance, right? This distance is required to get the radius. So distance between A comma B, that is given by the formula x2 negative x1 square positive y2 negative y1 square. So that is going to be equal to, using the formula you can use the same coordinate, 7 negative of -1 whole squared positive y2 4 negative of -2 the whole square. So this is going to give me 8 squared. This is going to give me 6 squared. So 8 squared is 64, 6 squared is 36, that's root of 100, which will give us 10 units. So equation of the circle. So therefore the equation of circle, what is that? I'm going to write this as x negative A whole squared positive y negative b whole squared is equal to r squared. Now this is the total length, but we need only half of it, right? So I need to get r, I need to divide that by 2. So that would give me 5 units. So that's a very important point you will have to know. You'll have to take it into account. So the equation in this case is going to be x negative, the center over here is 3 and 1, so x negative 3 whole squared, y negative 1 the whole squared is equal to 5 squared. So I can actually stop there. If you want, you can just simply stop there, or if you want you can expand it, but I think stopping here is sufficient for us. Okay, now let's move on to the second part. Second part is, they say that there is a tangent at B. So I'm going to draw the tangent. So this is the tangent at the point B. We are expected to find the equation of the tangent at B. Now clearly you can see this tangent is perpendicular to the diameter. So that would mean we need to first find the slope of AB. So this is part 2. What is part 2? We need to get the equation of the tangent. So for that we will find the slope of AB. Now A is -1 comma -2 and B is 7 comma 4. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. M is y2 negative y1 over x2 negative x1. So 4 negative of -2 divided by 7 negative of -1. This would give me 4 positive 2 divided by 7 positive 1, which is 6 over 8. 2 divides here 3 times, 2 divides here 4 times. So this is going to give me 3 over 4. So therefore the slope of AB is 3 over 4. Since the tangent is perpendicular to AB, this means the slope of tangent is equal to negative 1 over slope of AB, which means negative 1 over 3 over 4, which is going to be negative 4 over 3. So let me write that down. Slope of tangent is equal to negative 4 over 3. Now we need to get the equation of the tangent. Now the tangent line passes through 7, 4. That's a key point you need to know. So since the tangent passes through 7, 4, the equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m times x negative x1, where m is the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. Now I'm taking this point as x1 and this point as y1, so that would mean y negative y1 is 4 is equal to slope is negative 4 over 3 times x negative 7. Now I'm going to multiply this by 3, and that would give me 3y negative 12 is equal to negative 4 times x positive 28. This is 3y is equal to negative 4x positive 28 positive 12, which can be rewritten as 3y is equal to negative 4x positive 40, right? 30, 40. And therefore the equation is what? Y is equal to negative 4 over 3 times x positive 40 over 3. This is the required equation. Okay. Now this is just one part. Now I need to move on to the next part. Now what is the next part? The next part states that you have to find the equation of the circle upon reflecting on the tangent line, right? So let me just go to the third part. So what is the third part? Find the equation of the circle on reflecting it on the tangent line. That's what they're asking us. Now for that you need to use the formula. So to find out the center, only the center gets changed. The diameter will remain the same. So I'm going to show you that particular formula here, and you will have to write, or I would say apply the formula. So if x1 y1 be the new center, right, new center of the circle after reflection, formula is as follows. This is going to be the center of the original circle, and I would just say x suffix center, meaning we are going to be taking the first coordinate. So this is the first coordinate for the center. This is by understanding and placing it here, followed by negative 2 times a of ax positive by positive c divided by a squared positive b squared. Now this is going to be where ax positive by positive c is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent line, right? So similarly you have y1 is equal to, this is going to be y center, that means the second component, followed by negative 2 times b of a times x positive by positive c divided by a squared positive b squared. Okay, now let me just show you this. This is the equation of the tangent line. Okay, so let me write that down. We got y is equal to negative 4 over 3 times x positive 40 over 3. This is the equation that we've got. Now we need to rewrite this. So if we were to rewrite this equation, rewriting, we get, so I'm bringing everything to the left side. So this is going to be 4 over 3 times x positive y negative 40 over 3 is equal to 0. And our x center is equal to 3, y center is equal to 1, and our a is 4 over 3, b is 1. So the coefficient of the x term will give me a, coefficient of y term will give me 1. Of course, c is negative 40 over 3. So you substitute that in 1 and you substitute that in 2, and that would give us x1 and y1. So therefore x1 is equal to 3 negative 2 times of 4 over 3 times the equation. What is the equation? The equation is 4 over 3 times x positive y negative 40 over 3 divided by a squared 4 over 3 squared positive 1 squared. Let me move on to the next side. So for y1 is 1 negative, this is 2b, right? That's a formula 2b. So this is going to be 2 times of 1 times 4 over 3 times x positive y negative 40 over 3 divided by 4 over 3 squared positive 1 squared. So after we have got this, what we have to do is we will have to put back the coordinates for x and y. So in this case, the coordinates for x would be 3, coordinate for y is going to be equal to 1. So I substitute those values over here. So if I were to do that, let me show you the working here. I'm going to take this as 3 and I will take this as 4. So therefore 3 can be rewritten as, this is the new center, is equal to 3 negative 2 times 4 is 8 over 3 times 4 over 3 of 3 positive 1 negative 40 over 3 divided by, this is 16 over 9 positive 1. Now you can cancel these and that would give you 4 added with 1, that's going to be 5. So 3 negative 8 over 3, 5 negative 40 over 3, this is going to be 25 over 9. And you have to simplify this. So 3 negative 8 over 3, this is 15 negative 40 over 3 divided by 25 over 9. This would give you 25, right? So negative 25 over 3, and you can flip this. If you flip this, you get 9 over 25. Now I can clearly cancel this. 25, 25, 3 divides here 3 times. You have a negative sign, so 3 negative negative positive 8 over 3 times 3. 3 gets cancelled, you get 3 positive 8, which is 11. So this is one component. Now for the next component, it's going to be 1 negative 2. Now I have already evaluated this. I've shown you the evaluation. I've got negative 3 there. So this is equal to 1, 3 times 2 is 6, negative negative positive, so that's going to be 7. So therefore y1 is equal to 7. Now what did we do here? We found the center of the reflected circle. What is that? That is 11, 7. Now the diameter is going to be the same, that means the radius is going to be the same. Therefore the equation of the reflected circle is what? Is x negative 11 the whole squared positive y negative 7 the whole squared is equal to a squared, that's going to r squared, which is going to be 5 squared. So this is the solution for this question. Thank you.